No romantic dinners, no flowers, no chocolates, and no romance. You're single and lonely.
As a born-again single person, there are so many challenges you go through in life, such as loneliness, pressure from the society to get married.
I'm counting my blessings.
Biological clock ticking, expectation, desire to get married and start a family.
And sometimes we don't know what to do or how to handle it.
But I have good news for you.
On the 16th of February, Sound of Abundance Church will be having an interdenominational singles night. It shall be a night of praise and worship,
Prayer and the word.
refreshments, an interactive session of question, answers and mingling.
also impartation for marriage.
The venue will be at Eastland Cinema Main Auditorium along Jogo Road behind Uchumi Supermarket opposite Uhuru Market. For more information, call 0705 899 608.
Don't miss this night.